Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really exciting for you guys. Now remember that company that I tried out about a month ago? Yes, I will be trying them out again today, and this company is called Curls Queens. And what is so special about today is that I'll be trying out one of their newer wigs, and this wig is called a converted cap wig. Now the reason why it's called that is because you can convert it into so many different types of hairstyles, and I will be demonstrating that to you soon. So this is what the unit looks like. It's in 22 inches and the texture is kinky straight. And what is so special about this wig is that it looks like a half wig. It's got combs on each side. It has about four, one at the front, two on each side and one at the back. But it also comes with a drawstring, so you can wear it as a ponytail as well. I'm telling you, the possibilities with this wig is endless. Also, if you wanted to try out this wig for yourself, here is a 10% off discount code. This will be in the description box below as well. So first of all, let's start with the texture of this hair. And I've said before that this texture is in kinky straight, but it is so soft. This is the softest kinky straight hair that I have ever tried. Needless to say, I am very impressed with this hair. And even though this texture is in kinky straight, if you was to flat iron this hair, I'm sure you could get it to bone straight. However, I didn't really want the hair bone straight. I just gave it a few passes so that I could get rid of some of that texture at the top. However, I still wanted a little bit of body in the hair. Now that leads us to our first hairstyle, which is a headband wig. And you guys have probably seen that this has been really popular lately. I mean, who doesn't love a headband wig? It's so quick and easy. And as you saw there, I just did that hairstyle in under a minute. Now the second hairstyle is to flip it to the side. And the third hairstyle is the one that I really like, which is half up, half down. And as you saw, all three of those hairstyles took me under 5 minutes. Isn't that amazing? Now for the next hairstyle, I'm going to do a classic middle part. And for this hairstyle, all I'm doing is taking about an inch of leave out at the front and then tying the rest of my hair up at the back. The next thing I did is literally just put the wig on my head. I did go ahead and tighten up the drawstring at the back just a little bit to keep it nice, snug and secure. But again, that was so quick, simple and easy to do. And this was one of my favorite hairstyles of all 8 of them. Now the next look that I'm going to try is a half up, half down hairstyle. However, this one is without a headband. I really do love the fact that with this wig you can take off the headband so you can go for more of a natural look like this. Hairstyle number 6 is a really classic flip over, but when your leave out is out, oh my gosh, look at how it blends so well. Like, you can almost confuse this for my own hair. And as I said before, I styled this wig in under 2 minutes. So you can only imagine how good this will look if you spend a little bit more time trying to style this. Now the next hairstyle is going to be a really simple low ponytail. This was also one of my favorite hairstyles because I just can't get enough of wearing a low pony sometimes, especially when it's as quick and easy as this. Last but not least is to use the drawstring on this wig and actually turn it into a ponytail. For this look, I decided to go for a classic high ponytail. And I used a little bit of the hair to wrap around the attachment so that you couldn't really see where the hair was attached. And that was the finished look, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget the 10% discount that I have for you guys. And I will see you in the next video. See ya, bye.